Hello everyone, it's me, and happy St. Patrick's Day! It's March! Yay! It's clovers everywhere. The snow's gone, and I'm an Arctic fox, and if I get the microphone up close, but not like this. But if I get the microphone too close, just like hamburger likes tomatoes. That is so funny. So I was having a play date with my friends in Jama. And let's see my den house. Let's change it. And there we go. It's a clover den. Yes. But every time I go here, every time I enter here, I'm like on the table. So we'll move this. Okay. And voila! Ah! Don't I look scary? Huh? Yeah. It's clovers. And it's so cute. Look at all the clovers. How many can you count them? Well, hundreds and thousands. And here you can go to a lucky party. And whoa! There's clovers everywhere. A horseshoe dog house. And happy everyone. It's March break. Yay! It says lucky day. And also, we can go here. It's happy-go-lucky. I have the music already. Sorry, piggy pig. How can I get a clover? Oh, found one! I got a clover. It's so fun. Could you see how many clovers there are? Yeah. So, hope you guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.